Hello YouTube, I just got my Talon Grips for my Glock 23 Gen 3, and this is going to be an instructional video on how to apply the grips without having to read through the already short instructions that it comes with. So it's already been opened, comes with Talon Grips sticker, the grips, an alcohol prep, and the instructions. So first thing you want to do is make sure that the weapon is clear. As you can see, the magazine has already been removed, and looks like we're clear. I'm going to dry fire in a safe direction and field strip. Next, you're going to want to, and by the way, you're going to need a hair dryer for the last step. So take your alcohol prep and just clean along the grip, and this is going to remove any kind of oils and dirt. This gun has been fired already, and we'll just let that dry. So let's start with removing some of the adhesive. Go right here. So as you can see, it was hard enough without even putting firm pressure here the first time. Now we're going to use the hairdryer, and the instructions said to not heat above 130 degrees. So about the temperature of a warm cup of coffee. So we'll do that. And now that it's nice and warm, I'm going to continue to press nice and firm. Really feel that taking mold to the grip on the gun now. So that feels really nice already. Alrighty, well that feels like it's on there pretty good. I hope this was helpful, and God bless. Thanks for watching.